in the last several years. This is a very important slide if you really want to know what is happening. These are real figures, approximated of course. Our inflows, notice again that I'm not using IGR. I'm not using that word though. Okay? Our inflows, if you like, call it IGR, in 2012 was 1.4 billion. Our inflow in 2016 was 1.6 billion. We suspect that we may hit 2 billion in 2017. Now notice 2014, this sharp drop from 1.4 billion to 1.1 billion. Can anybody hazard a guess of what happened here?
Election.
No. Strike. Remember that long strike? Johesu, 3 months. NMA, 2 months. Total, 5 months. In 1 year, 5 months. But we still made 1.1 turnover. Not profit, turnover. The total money that entered the hospital through our operations, it still went up. But we lost like, it should have been about 1.4 something. Okay? But look at the expenditure. Expenditure is always more than what is coming in. Okay? Look at the expenditure. It didn't come down significantly. You want to know practices? What is really going on? The expenditure did not come down significantly. When you are not making money as much as you should, your responsibility are still there. We still have to put our power, energy on. Okay? We still have to flow the water. Because instead of 350 patients, we still have 50 patients on admission throughout that 5 months on the average. So you cannot shut down completely. You will still run the hospital. It will not be as expensive as it should have been to pay electricity bill because you shut down some buildings, to pay water bill, but you have to pay cleaners, you have to pay security, you have to pay. It's not their business that somebody went on strike. You understand? Every other person you have to pay. You may not spend so much on drug, but look at what strike did here. It crashed the inflows. But look at our overhead. This overhead, I'm talking only about energy, water, okay? Energy, water, and other utilities like sewage and so on. This is the overhead we spent. So that's why, if you remove this from this, you find out that we would have made some profit. Isn't it? If you remove 400 million from 1.6 billion, okay, it will come to about 1.2 billion. Okay? If you remove 1.2 billion from 1.4, we would have made a profit of 200 million. Do you understand what I'm saying? So, but we had to spend this because of this. So we did not only pay for the drugs, okay? The profit on this was overshot, and we buy this because we have to pay electricity bill. Look at how it is rising. But even in the year in which we had 5 months strike because of national Johesu and national NMA strike, NMA, here. Okay, you see that we still have to spend 420 million, not significantly different from 480 million. Okay, because we still put on the water, we still put on the electricity, we still put generator. And but electricity bill started rising. Here, there's a major problem which I will explain later. I believe that we will generate 2 billion this year, but we are likely not to spend more than 2 billion because our electricity bill is now 18 million per month. It used to be 9 million per month. It used to be 9 million when I took over. This is when I took over, when that strike came. 5 months strike. I inherited 5 months strike. We still managed to, put our head up. Then we jumped in our profile and we've been jumping since. But electricity bill was 6 million. It increased to 9 million the following year. then to 14 million. This year, it is 16 to 18 million every month. If you multiply that by 12, then you will know why this is heavy. You still have to buy diesel, minimum of 2 trucks, of which you will use a minimum of 1.5 of it, sometimes more than 2. So energy bill alone for Federal Tertiary Hospital is more than 50% of the overhead that we are running. Just energy bill. And how did it happen? We privatized distribution and generation. And I've had to go for a meeting with the Abuja Electricity Distribution Company, the MD. It's a South African. But it doesn't own the company, it's Nigerian that own the company. And I said, do you cut light to hospital in South Africa? He said no. So if a hospital is owing in South Africa, what would you do? We'll probably liaise with Ministry of Health to intervene on their behalf, but will not cut the light. Please continue to do that one from now on. Okay? So since then, they have not cut our lights. Now I'm owing them small. Before, you cut our light within 2 weeks of bringing a bill. They brought 18 million, and I wrote, come and check your meter, replace it with a new meter because I believe it's 40, and blah, 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 blah. I wrote a long story, and I said, I want an appointment with your MD. Before my biro dried on the paper, they have cut the light. So I insisted on that meeting. Our relationship has improved since then. So if they bring 18 million, I pay 10 million. But what has happened? You are rolling over 8 million to the other month. So the other month they will bring 15 million and add the 8 million. So they will now give you 20-something million new bill. So what is IGR? What is profit with all these figures? Okay? So inflation has affected everything that we buy that has to be imported, including drugs. The high cost of energy is a major problem, particularly in the last 2 years. Then no budgetary releasing for outsourced services. This is one major problem. Government is owing National Hospital 400 and something million on outsourced services. I know you are recording, but this is true. What are outsourced services? Security, cleaning, horticulture, some engineering maintenance is also outsourced. For instance, our massive 4 generators, 1,500 kV, their maintenance is outsourced. So that's why when medical health workers go on strike, there's electricity in National Hospital. There's security, the gate is open, not locked, because all these are outsourced. The advantage of outsourcing is that it is efficient, it is not affected by industrial action of government workers. So I am in support of outsourcing. But remember that government used to spend money. At today's rate, government should have been paying about 600 to 700 million to this group of workers. In most teaching hospitals that have over 400 beds and above. What government would have been using to pay their salaries is about 600 million. Okay? Per annum. If you consider that the budget of personnel range from about 7 billion to some hospitals 13 billion. So those junior workers, those security men, if the entire hospital is earning 13, you can imagine they would have consumed almost 1 billion. Now we have outsourced them, it's more efficient, and the cost to government has come down. Yet in 2016, 1 naira was not released to pay outsource. Not 1 naira. Those of you who watch channels on Friday and Saturday, I was in the news. Yes. Because House of Rep came. And I told them, if we don't kill energy costs and kill our source costs, the hospitals will die. They will kill the hospital. Yes. Because if on energy, at the rate of 18 million for NEPA and at least 10 million for diesel, how much is that? 28 million times 12 months. Energy alone, 28 million times 12 months. That's over 300 million for energy. This is not Mago. Everybody knows the price of diesel. Yeah. Everybody sees the bill that NEPA sent. It's not that I inflated any contract. No. The figures are there for anybody to check. Energy bill 300 million to 400 million for more teaching hospitals. Our source, 300 to 600 million for most hospitals. None of this was paid in 2016, and as we speak, in 2017, there has been no one kobo released for our source. This thing has been audited 5 times. Do you understand? The audit was, number 1, verification by the Ministry of Health. Number 2, verification by the Ministry of Finance. Number 3, verification by a joint group. Verification by an independent consultant. What are you verifying? This is government policy that didn't start 3 years ago. It's been on for close to 10 years. And there have been money released in the past. How many times will you verify before you pay your bills? So, where did we get the 400 million? Where do you get? You have to go and borrow from the so-called IGR again. And then you are owing Roach. Instead of owing them for 3 months, you'll be owing them for 6 months. Because you borrowed their money to make sure security don't riot. The generator is not shut down. And so on and so forth.